In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to digitally track and locate your lost iPhone using the Find My iPhone feature. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. At the very top, you're gonna find your Apple ID. Click on that. Then navigate to the option Find My. Now click on the option Find My iPhone. Now enable for this option Find My iPhone. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now you can close this. Launch your Find My app. Inside the app, you'll see two tabs at the bottom: People, which shows shared locations from friends or family, and Devices, where all Apple devices linked to your Apple ID will appear. Tap on your lost iPhone to view its last known location on the map so you can see whether it's still at home, left at work, or somewhere unexpected. From this screen, you can also tap Directions to navigate directly to your phone, or choose Play Sound to make the phone ring loudly, perfect for when it's nearby or hidden under a couch cushion. If you can't locate it right away, enable Lost Mode to lock the phone and display a message to anyone who finds it. And if you believe your phone has been stolen or is unrecoverable, you can select Erase this device to remove your personal data and protect your information. You can even set Notify when left behind alerts to prevent losing it in the future. Your Apple Watch or other devices will warn you if you walk away without it. And that's it. This is how you can easily use Find My iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.